how to add GIF on Shopify. Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that allows you to create an online store and sell your products to customers around the world. One great way to add some extra flair to your store is by adding GIF. GIFs are a popular way of engaging with customers and can help make your store more visually appealing. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add GIFs to your Shopify store, from finding the perfect GIFs to uploading it to your store. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to use GIFs to enhance your store's design and attract more customers. Let's get started. Now over here right now, I am currently at my Shopify dashboard on the home page, and I'm going to show you what a GIF would look like on a Shopify store. As you can see here on a preview of my store, this is one of my products, and as you can see here, we have a GIF playing on our description. Now to do this, we're going to need to create our own GIF. As you can see here, we're playing a random GIF, and I took it out of Giphy.com. You could use any GIF that you want from this website. As you can see here, there are a lot of trending GIFs. There are artistic GIFs over here. You could choose any of these GIFs that you would like to use over here. For example, we're going to use this one. Over here, we will be able to see different options or different GIFs created by this person over here. We're simply going to look for a GIF that we would like. For example, this one over here. We're simply going to click on embed over here, and we will be able to see this code over here. We're simply going to click this. We can copy this. You could also turn on responsiveness over here, just like that, or you could turn it off. We're going to copy the code, and we're going to go to our Shopify page over here, and we're going to click on our products. Now in this section, you're going to select a product that you would like to add a GIF to, like what we did here. For example, we're going to go with this one over here. And in this section, you can see that we have the title and the description. Now, what you're simply going to do is you're going to click this button over here, which will show an HTML, and you're going to paste your code over here. Then you're going to disable this. And as you can see here, we're going to wait for it to load. There's a GIF playing here. We're simply going to click on save. And just like that, we have a GIF playing on our description. And when we refresh this and go back to our home, just like this, and click on our product, going to refresh. And just like that, as you can see here, we have our GIF appearing on our description over here. Now, when creating a GIF, I suggest that you create your own GIF instead of copying any GIF that you find here on your Giphy.com. Now, it is completely up to you. You could use any of this GIF if you want, but for me, we're going to create our own GIF by using Canva over here. Now, over here on Canva, you're simply going to log in, and this is what you're going to see. Now, the next thing is we're going to click on the video section over here, and we're going to select any of this option. There is no difference between these options over here except the size of their video. Now, over here, this is a 180 by 180, so we're going to use this one because this is a square design. And now over here, we will be redirected to the editing page of Canva. Now, this is where we will be creating our design. I'm going to go to my uploads over here. And as you can see here, I have some uploaded content over here. Now, we're simply going to select the product that we would like to create a design of. For example, this one over here. And we're going to enlarge in this mockup over here. And we're going to click on image. And I'm going to remove the background. Just like that. And then I'm going to apply. And as you can see, there is no longer a background to our person over here. Now we're going to go to our elements, and we're going to search for a background, just like that. And we're going to filter this. I'm going to enable animation, just like that, and then apply filter. And we're going to click on graphics. And as you can see here, we have a lot of animated elements that we could use for our canvas over here. We're simply going to choose one that we like. For example, we're going to go with this one. We're going to enlarge in this, just like that. Going to make it fit our page, just like that. And then we're going to change our position to the back, just like that, so that our character is in the front. Now we could add more if we would like, as because there is more space. So we're simply going to choose one that we could add. For example, this one over here, we're going to click this, and we would have this GIF over here, just like that. Then we're going to do the position once again to the back. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select our character over here, and I'm going to animate this person. Now, I could choose from all the basic animations over here, but we're going to look for an animation that we like the most. For example, this one, just like that, and we're going to do both, and just like that. So as you can see, it is 7 seconds. We could make it shorter by 5, just like that. And after doing that, we're going to click on share, and we're going to click on download, and we're going to click on file type. And as you can see here, we have a GIF option. We're simply going to click this, and we're going to click on download, just like that. And we're going to wait for it to finish downloading our GIF. And after downloading this, we're going to upload it to Jiffy over here so that we can convert it to a embedded code. So we're going to click on upload over here. We might be required to log in. We're going to check it out later. We're going to check if it finished downloading. And just like that, our GIF has finished downloading. We're going to go back to our jiffy.com over here, and we're going to upload this to our Jiffy. As you can see, we're going to need to log in or create an account, so that's what we're going to do. Now, after signing up, we would be able to upload our Jiffy just like this. Now, we could edit our visibility, we could add tags, or we could add a source URL. So right now, we're going to click on upload, and just like that, it's currently uploading. And just like that, our GIF has been uploaded. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing with it earlier. We're going to click on embed, and we're going to copy the code. We're going to go back to the product section over here, and I'm going to add a quick product just like this. And we're going to add a title over here. We're going to say coffee t-shirt, just like that. We could add a description before we add our HTML over here. We're going to add a sample description. This is a coffee themed t-shirt, just like that. And then we're going to hit enter, then click on our show HTML. Then we're going to paste our code over here. And then we're going to disable this. And as you can see here, we have our GIF over here and this description that we have. We could add more description if you would like. Normally, there would be a lot of description for products, so you should add your description over here. And for the media, I'm going to add the original mockup that we have over here, just like that. You could add other types of mockup if you want for your product. And we're simply going to speed up our creation over here. We're going to do this, and we're going to click on save. The SKU cannot be blank. We're going to check it out. We're going to have that, and we're going to save this. And just like that, our product has been created. We're going to go back, and this is our product over here. We're going to click on our online store, and we're going to preview our product over here. Going to click on preview, and we're going to click on catalog. And as you can see here, we have our product that we have added earlier, and we're going to open this. And as you can see here, we have a GIF of our product over here. Now, I suggest that when you create your GIF, it is related to your product so that there's relevance to your design on your Shopify store. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.